ready to ditch that boring green background and transport your videos to another world. Today, we're diving into Capcut's Chroma Key feature, and I'm going to show you how to remove that pesky green screen in just a few simple steps. First, import your video with the green screen into Capcut and place it on the timeline. This will be the foreground of your video. Next, import the image or video you want to use as your new background and drag it onto the timeline, making sure it's underneath your green screen clip. Now, select the green screen clip on the timeline, then look for the Chroma Key option. It's usually located within the Editing Tools section. You may need to scroll to find it. Once you've selected Chroma Key, a color picker will appear. Drag it over the green area in your video. Capcut will then automatically identify and start removing the green color. You'll notice a strength slider. Use this to fine-tune the intensity of the Chroma Key effect. Slide it right to remove more of the green and left to remove less of the green. There's also usually a shadow slider. This helps to blend the edges of your foreground subject with the new background, making it look more realistic. Play around with both the strength and shadow sliders until you get a clean removal of the green screen without making your subject look transparent or unnatural. And that's it. You've successfully removed the green screen and replaced it with a brand new background, making your videos look more dynamic and professional. Now just export your video and share your amazing creation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Capcut tips and tricks.